Hey, went to a couple of garage sales this week. Didn't get a lot, but I did find a few good things, like this dollhouse for only $3. It needs to be cleaned up, but it's in great shape. I found the same dollhouse a couple of years ago and gave it an extreme makeover. You can watch the video by clicking the thumbnail at the end of this video, or links are in the description box below. I'll be giving this dollhouse a makeover as well, but not as extreme. Tell me down below what colors I should paint it, or whatever ideas you have.
Scanning access card. Welcome home, Barbie. Lights are on. It's great to be home.
At another garage sale, I got this really cute rocking chair for only $2. It'll look fabulous in a new dollhouse. At the same garage sale, I also got an Ever After Hug doll. Oops, no clothes. Put something on. Here she is, Blondie Locks, daughter of Goldilocks. She's in great shape. She just needs her hair washed. And I also got this cute little doll. I don't know who she is, so if you know, please let me know down below. Well, that's it. Didn't find a lot, but I think I got some great finds. Thanks for watching. Click the video to watch what I did with the same dollhouse. Bye for now.